What is going on? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about new driver advice. I'm going to go ahead and welcome you in. A lot of beginning drivers do a lot of light traffic light driving. What does this mean? You're driving in the neighborhood, you're making 12 right turns, you're turning hand over hand into the turn, you're turning hand over hand out. Next, once you feel comfortable turning hand over hand, I want to see you pull in your driveway. You have to learn to go all the way up into your driveway, cover your brake. What does cover your brake mean? This means you have your foot on the brake so the car doesn't lunge forward. Take your time to control your car. Once you feel comfortable backing up and looking out of your back window, don't always rely on your backward camera. Hey, if you're new coming in right now, this is new driver advice. I'm a state certified driving instructor. You've seen me before, and we're going to keep going live every day. How are you guys doing? I want to welcome you on this beautiful Monday. It's 7:48 Eastern Standard Time. Tell your friends, hey, he's on. Yes, I'm going to talk to you a few minutes here. Next, what I need you to do is feel comfortable driving. It's a process. You've got your license, you got your permit, but now you've got to practice. Your mom and dad probably bought your car, which they should. Most parents do, but now you've got to get a job. You got to get a job. Thank you. Thank you for the rose. You got to get a job to keep gas in your car. You have to maintain your vehicle with good tires, good brakes. You got to keep your car clean. No one likes to smell their car. Ooh. But once you start cleaning your car, taking it to the car wash once a week, then you're going to realize, wow, I'm driving. Now, you're probably going to be a junior in high school, or you might be a first-year college student, and that's fine. Everyone learns at a different rate. No two people are the same, just like no two content creators are the same. Let's continue new driving advice. I want you to watch my videos, right? I'm like your uncle. I want you to watch your mom. I want you to watch your dad, because we have been driving and we want to show you the best way. The best way is safety. Safety first. Safety is no accident. Next, I want you to learn and understand rules of the right of way. I have a lot of videos on yielding the right of way. The first car to get there is the first car to leave. So when you're driving in the morning, coming up to the end of your block, which you might have a stop sign facing you or you might not, yield. Slow down. What does this mean? You look left, you make sure it's clear. You look right, you make sure it's clear. Once it's clear, then you have a right to go. If you're confused about the rules of the right of way, you need to follow me. You need to be looking through my videos, because I'm a state certified driving instructor, and I'm going to go over those things to help all of you learn how to drive, because that's what this platform is for. It's about caring about others, it's about teaching people how to drive, and it's about being successful. Next, I need you to learn the Big 5 strategies. We're going to go over those Big 5 strategies right now. After you look at this video, you're going to say, man, this was really helpful. I'm going to give this guy a heart, give him this, give him that, right? But I got to show you next. Concentrate. No text, no phone. You can always look at those funny videos later. Focus on driving. And then you're going to share some of your stories about driving. Next, look while turning. If you're making a left turn or a right turn, you have to turn, no pun intended, turn. You have to turn your head. You got to look where you're going. It seems easy enough, but a lot of beginning drivers are just looking down at the speedometer. They're looking at their hands. When you take a moment to look at my videos, you're going to see that I care about my students, that I want the best for them. I want them to learn how to drive. If this is bringing you value, drop a heart, drop a like. Let's hit 1,000 likes. That's so important to me, because I want to show you that I earn your trust. And if I don't earn your trust, you won't look at my content, right? So you need to be looking where you're going. If you're making a right, I should see you turning your head and looking to the right. And if you're making that left, I should see you turning your head and looking to the left. It's okay if you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes in the beginning when they learn how to drive, but overall you will get better. Next, let's talk about driving a safe speed. If the speed limit is 35, you need to be about 35. What do beginning drivers do? They drive slow. They look down the speedometer. Look ahead, aim high, and go with the flow of the traffic. Next, what I need you to do is have more following distance. Following distance is space between cars. You want to have following distance. I need you to share this out. I need you to tell more people, oh my God, he's on right now. He's talking about driving education, because that's what I love. I love teaching driver's education. I want to see you live your best life, and it takes work. So you're going to be looking through my content. You're going to see people learning how to drive. You're going to see people parallel parking. You're going to see people merging on expressway. You're going to see people working on maneuverability. Left turns are the most difficult. Why? Because you have to turn across traffic. I do test prep. Thank you for the follow. That means so much. I really appreciate it. I need all of you guys and ladies to follow me. Why? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I'm going to try to go live every morning or every afternoon and talk for about 10 minutes on driver's education, on reducing anxiety, on making you feel comfortable. I can show you how to parallel park. You gotta follow first, and then once I teach you how to parallel park, then you're gonna really understand the fundamentals. Right now, we're talking about an introduction to driver's education. We'll do some parallel parking tutorials at a later date. I'll show you what to do. I will embrace you. I will help you, because that's just about, my goal is 1,000 hearts. I'm at 837. Help me reach my goal. You wanna gain knowledge from me? I want to gain likes from you. Help me reach my goal. I'm almost at 900. I need 1,000. And then once I feel valued and appreciated, I will give you more info. Oh my God, I got 1K. I love you guys. I love you guys, because it's about feeling cared about. We all want to feel cared about. We all want to help each other. So let's continue talking about driver's education for a few minutes. Have a lot of room. A lot of beginning drivers tailgate. Thank you for the hearts. Leave more room. It's a car length for every 10 miles an hour. If you're going 40, 4 car lengths. You're going 30. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it. And I want to continue to bring you value. Next, what I need you to do is not scare mom and dad. If you scare mom and dad, what does that mean? If you run a light, oh my God, if you hit a curb, if you cut off a car, if you pull out in front of a car, beginning drivers do not judge distance very well. So what do I need you to do? Learn how to judge distance. You're gonna learn how to judge distance by watching my videos. This means I gotta keep making more content, making fresh, crispy content, good sound effects, good captions, good jump cuts, because if I show you that I care when I put out my content, you're like, wow, he really took the time to make this parallel parking video. He shows the first view, he cut to the second view, he cut to the third view. I see the person turning their wheel, and you're gonna say, I really appreciate that. So I've gotta step up my efforts to bring all of you good content, and then you will appreciate it. I can't rest on what I did last year. Next, don't assume new drivers know what they're doing. You have to learn, and I want to keep showing you new content, road test content. How do you parallel park? How do you reduce anxiety? Help me get to 2K. Oh my God, I got 2,000. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. I want to say thank you. Jordan, look at my videos, follow. I will be going live. My goal is just to try to go live every morning. I love you guys. I will go live later today. Bye. Thank you.